Have you ever decided against a purchase after you've already made the payment? Or tried to cancel a subscription to a food delivery service or a gym membership with no luck? If so, you may want to prevent the transaction from being debited from your account. Stopping a transaction from being debited from your account is called a stop payment. So if you need to make a stop payment request, we'll show you how. First, visit LGFCU.org and log in to Member Connect with your username and password. Once logged in, click the Services tab at the top of the page. Then click the Stop Payment link. Next, read the statement regarding your stop payment request. There, you'll be notified of the fee. Using the drop-down box, select the account where you'd like to have the stop payment applied. Select the type of payment you'd like to stop. Then complete the form with the specific details. Finally, read the statement and check the box to accept the terms. Select OK and you're done. If you need additional help requesting a stop payment, call the credit union at 888-732-8562.
LGFCU is an equal housing opportunity lender and federally insured by NCUA.